Mark, Part 1, Study number 7. Question 1. Long study 6. You may look him finish 3 fellas something. Man got him devil, woman got him sicky lo blood, and Jairus we daughter blo him he die finish. Was way, you sabi share him any something where you learn him from this fella study? Where him help him you long life blow you? Reading Mark chapter 6, verse 1, Kasim, verse 3. Now Jesus, hemi go back more, long barava home blow him. And okay the disciple blow him now, okay the go with him. Now long Sabbath day no more, Jesus hemi go head now. For teach him okay the people inside lo prayer house. And plenty people now okay the heap up. And okay the say, my what? How now this fella man hemi come up wise to mas osemia? And how now hemi got him power for make him okay the miracle, yeah? You me sabi that man, yeah, hemi this fella carpenter who hemi born lo Mary no more, yeah? And okay the brother blow him now, James, and Joseph, and Judas, and Simon. So okay the barava look down him Jesus no more. But Jesus hemi say long oketa, anyone who hemi prophet, everyone saviting high lo him. But oketa people lo home lo him, oketa no more in nothing saviting high lo him. Question 2. Oketa people where oketa hear him teaching and look him good fella walk up lo Jesus, oketa savi got him karangi ting about him Jesus. Was way, you savi tell him some fella something where hemi make him oketa for got him karangi ting about him Jesus? Reading Mark chapter 6, verse 4, Kasim verse 6. But Jesus hemi say long oketa, anyone who hemi prophet, everyone savi ting high lo him. But oketa people lo home lo him, oketa no more in nothing savi ting high lo him. So Jesus, hemi no savi make him any miracle lo place ya. But some fella sick people no more, Jesus hemi put him hand lo him on top lo oketa and make him oketa for good bike more. Jesus hemi barava surprise to mas, because oketa people lo place blo him, oketa nothing believe lo him. Question 3. One him now hemi stop him Jesus, for no do him waka lo village blo him seliva. Reading Mark chapter 6, verse 7 and 12 and 13. Now Jesus hemi call him 12 fella disciple blo him, and hemi say lo oketa os him. Me send him you fella, os him 2 fella man for 1 fella place, and 2 fella more for another place. And me give him power lo you fella too, for rouse him or get a ravish devil. So or get a disciple, or get to go out and tell him out talk blow God now, long or get a people. And or get to say, you fella everyone must lose him ravish way blow you fella now. And or get to go ahead more for rouse him plenty devil. And oketa put him oil lo plenty sick man too, and make him oketa for good bike more. Question 4. What kind message now oketa disciple I preach him? Question 5. Was way, you think sir this fella message hemi important for you me today? Why na also? Reading Mark chapter 6, start lo verse 14, Kasim verse 16. Long time ya, King Herod, hemi hear him plenty news now about him Jesus. Because everyone now news about him Jesus, hemi go Kasim. Now some fella people, oketa say also him. I think this fella man ya, hemi John Baptist ya, who hemi life bike more. That's the way now hemi got him power for make him o get a miracle, yeah? But some fella people more, o get to say, I think man, yeah, hemi Elijah more, yeah? Some fella more, o get to say, I think man, yeah, hemi one fella long o get a prophet before, come, yeah? Time Herod, hemi hear him o get a news, yeah? Hemi tokels him. John, this fella man, where me cut him neck blow him finish? Hemi life back more now? Question 6. Herod, hemi thinks that Jesus, hemi John baptize, where hemi life back more. Why now this one, hemi make him for fright? Reading, Mark chapter 6, verse 17 and verse 18. Long before Herod now, hemi been tell him o get a soldier blow him, for go and cast hold him John, and put him send lo him inside lo prison. Herod hemi been do him this one, because lo side blow Herodias, wife blow brother blow him Philip. Because Herod now, hemi married him Herodias, yeah? And John now, hemi been talk lo Herod osem. Hemi tambu lo law, for you stop with him wife blow brother blow you, yeah? Question 7. Why now John baptize, hemi talk strong lo Herod? Reading, Mark chapter 6, start lo verse 19, kasim verse 25. Because John hemi talk strong lo King Herod, from this one now Herodias hemi barava cross to mas and hemi like him to mas, for kill him John die, but hemi no savi do him. Now one fella time, Herod hemi make him big fella feast, for mark him day where hemi born lo him. And long time now, Herodias hemi find him way for kill him John die. Gelly Blong Herodias, hemi come inside lo feast, and hemi go head now for dance. Make him o get a look lo him. And Herod, and o get a friend lo him, o get a barava happy to mas with him Gelly now. So Herod, hemi ask him Gelly os him, was way, what kind something now you like him? And hemi make him one fella strong fella promise now for Gelly, and hemi say, me, by me give him you any something no more where you ask him lo me, no matter barava half lo every something where me rule over him. Time Gelly hemi go outside, and hemi ask him mommy blow him os him. What kind something now, by me ask him? Now mommy blow him, hemi tell him os him. Me like him you for ask him head blow John baptize. Same time no more, Gelly hemi resist go back now lo king, and tell him lo him os him. Me like him you for give him come head blow John baptize. Lo one fella plate for me, this time now. Question 8. Why now wife blow Herod, hemi hate him John? Question 9. Was way. Any something lo this fella's story, hemi also warning for you? Reading, Mark chapter 6, verse 26, kasim verse 28. King hemi barava sorry to mas now, but because hemi make him promise finish, and o get a friend blow him, o get a bin hear him, hemi no savi go against him, one him, Gelly hemi like him, So same time no more, hemi send him go one fella soldier. Now soldier hemi go inside lo prison no more, and cut him neck blow John now. Behind more, hemi put him head blow John lo one fella plate, and give him go lo Gelly And Gelly hemi go and give him head blow John lo mommy blow him. Question 10. Was way. You think the Herod hemi do him stretch something for keep him promise blow him? Reading Mark chapter 6, verse 31. But plenty people to mas now, o get a kakam Lord Jesus, and o get a go more. So Jesus and o get a disciple blo him, o get a nothing got him any time for kakai now. And Jesus hemi tell him all same long o get a disciple blo him, I think you me go lo one fella place where hemi quiet. Make him you me savi stop seleva, and you me savi rest little bit. Question 11. What kind lesson now you me savi learn him from Jesus? Longo get a vesia. Reading Mark chapter 6, verse 32, Kasim, verse 34. So Jesus, with him o get a disciple blo him, o get a go seleva inside lo one fella boat. And o get a go now lo one fella place where no anyone stop lo him. But no matter os him, plenty people now look him o get a time o get a go inside lo boat. So o get a people lose him town lo o get a no more, and o get a race is go now. For Kasim place first time. Before Jesus, with him o get a disciple blo him, savi Kasim. Time Jesus hemi go lo soa no more, hemi looking plenty people to mas now. So hemi sorry to mas. Because o get a people look o sem some fella sip, where no any man hemi look after him o get a. So Jesus hemi go ahead for teach him o get a long plenty something now. Question 12. Why now Jesus hemi sorry lo o get a people? Him thinks o get a look o sem what ya? Question 13. One him now by you do him. Suppose him time for you for rest no more. But every people he come look him you. Question 14. Last something when me read him finish. Hemi tell him that Jesus hemi go ahead for teach him o get a people. What now think blow you? Why now Jesus hemi go ahead all same? Reading Mark chapter 6, start lo verse 35, Kasim verse 39. Time hemi goes up for 2 dark no more, o get a disciple blo Jesus, o get a come lo him. And o get a say, hemi late to mas now. And this fella place hemi no got him any house lo him Was way now you no send him o get a people for go long o get a village round about. Make him o get a savi baim kai for o get a seleva. But Jesus hemi say, you fella now must give him kai lo o get a. Now get a disciple answer os him. My what? How now you me savi give him kai lo o get a? No matter 200 seleni, hemi no fit him for make him you me savi baim bread for everyone. And Jesus hemi ask him o get a more. You fella go and find him out how much bread now you fella got him. Time o get a find him out no more, o get a tell him Jesus o same now. Me fella got him no more 5 fella bread and 2 fella fish Now Jesus hemi tell him o get a disciple blo him for make him o get a people for divide lo o get a section and sit down no more lo gracia. Question 15. You savi, o get a 5,000 fella man lo there How much kaka now hemi stop? Reading more. Mark chapter 6, start lo verse 40, Kasim verse 44. So o get the people o get a sit down lo o get a section now. And some fella section, o get a got him 100 fella people, and some fella more, o get a got him 50 fella people lo him. And Jesus, hemi haul him 5 fella bread with him 2 fella fish and hemi look go up lo heaven, and hemi tell him thank you lo God. And behind, Jesus break him o get a bread and hemi give him go now long o get a disciple. Make him o get a share him out long o get a people And hemi share him out to fala fisia for o get people, yeah. Everyone, o get a kai, and o get a full up for good now. And o get a disciple, o get a full him up him 12 fella basket now, long o get a piece bread and fish, where o get a no finish him. And 5,000 fella man now, o get a kai lo time ya. Question 16. One him now Jesus hemi do him, before hemi make him miracle with him o get a bread and fish. Question 17. Wasway. You savi tell him out, talk thank you, blow you, long God all the way too, for kai, where God hemi give him come lo you. Reading Mark chapter 6, verse 45. Same time no more, Jesus hemi tell him long o get a disciple blow him, for o get a must go inside lo boat first time, and go lo another side lo lake ya, long town lo Bethsaida. But Jesus seleva hemi stop go behind, for send him o get the people ya, for go back lo home blow geta. Time Jesus hemi send him o get the people ya, for go back no more, hemi go up lo one fella hill for prayer now. Question 18. Why now Jesus hemi stop seleva behind? Question 19. Wasway. Any lesson lo there for you me everyone? Reading Mark chapter 6, verse 47 and verse 48. O get a disciple inside lo boat now. And time ya, hemi start for to dark now. And this fella boat ya, hemi lo middle lo lake ya. Jesus hemi stop selva no more on top lo hill ya. Now time hemi goes up kasim daylight no more. Jesus hemi look him that o get a disciple blow him. O get a barava hard worker to mas now, for paddle in boat ya, against him wind. So Jesus, hemi come long o geta. Where hemi walk about come no more on top la water ya. Hemi walk about come, and hemi goes up go past long o geta now. Question 20. Time this fella big wind hemi kasim o geta disciple, one him now Jesus hemi do him. Question 21. Wasway. Time trouble been kasim you, Jesus? Hemi savi help him you too? Some fella ting for ting him back, long study number 7. Mark chapter 6. Any place where Lord Jesus, hemi go lo him, or get the people he go head no more for story about him. Some fella believe him, but or get another one, he no believe him. And make him or get any kind excuse. People must choose seleva want him now or get a thing him about him Jesus. Or get the people blon Nazareth. Or get the people ya been looking time Jesus hemi grow up come. Or get the savi lo family blow him. Or get the things or get the savi lo him. Or get the nothing savvy how now hemi savvy make him or get a miracle. So or get the no believe lo him. Sin blo King Herod. Time King Herod, hemi hear him story about him Jesus, hemi worry for good. Hemi kill him die finish John baptize, and hemi fright. No good John now hemi life bite more. Herod been kill him die John because John been telling him that hemi sin for stop together with him wife blow brother blow him. Name blow him now Herodias, and hemi barava hate him John. Herodias hemi one fella no good woman who hemi help him Herod, and daughter blow him for doing one him hemi wrong. Wasway, you me savi help him or get a little family blow you me for do him or get a straight something, or for do him one him hemi wrong. You me must care lo one him you me tell him or do him. Jesus hemi feed him 5,000 fella people. This fella miracle, hemi saw him out how Jesus hemi care too much about him people. O keta I tired and hungry and no got him any kakai. Jesus hemi help him o keta, and everyone I got him enough kai. Jesus hemi ask him o keta disciple for helping him. And hemi go ahead for asking you me yet for helping him today. Time hemi tell him you me for doing something for him, all time hemi savvy helping you me for doing. Jesus hemi walk about on top lo sea. Jesus hemi send him o get a disciple blo him for go across lo lake, inside lo one fella boat. Jesus hemi look him o get a disciple blo him I inside lo storm now. And hemi go for help him o geta. Jesus hemi tell him o geta, you fella no sick. Me no moya. You fella no fright. Was way, some fella time you fright too? You must remember that Jesus hemi savvy lo geta trouble blo you. And by hemi help him you. Hemi like him you for trust him and no fright. Was way, you trust him Jesus this time?